You guys remember that movie, The Great Debate? The one with Denzel Washington in it? Denzel Washington. There's a great debate out here in these YouTube streets on whether or not it's important to SEO optimize your file name and if it really makes a difference. I have a question for you. If you had made a great video, at least you thought it was great, you made a great title, was keyword and SEO optimized. And I know saying SEO optimized is a lot like saying ATM machine, but say you did all the work that you thought it took in order to make what you believe to be a great video and get seen by an audience. But you decided, I don't need to change the file name. And yes, although you may not have changed the file name, your video might get clicked by a viewer because it was an awesome thumbnail. Your video might rank in search because you had a great title and a great description. But what if you didn't do any of that? Maybe your thumbnail was so-so, and maybe your title was not quite SEO or keyword optimized because you hadn't learned that. And you didn't have an audience because you were a small or emerging content creator. You probably won't get a fighting chance at getting picked up by the algorithms. And although we're learning all the time on YouTube, because if you're not learning, you're not growing, one thing we do know, we don't know all the tips and tricks. But one thing is for certain, the algorithms always change. We really can't count on whether or not our video is going to get viewed or if we will go viral. And if you've done all of the other things that you know how to do, and there was one more thing that you could do in order to craft a great video and to maybe get seen, and if the barrier between your video getting viewed and you reaching your audience was you changing your file name to more so match your title, which might have been keyword optimized, would you do it? Well, today I'm going to teach you how. And I know in my last video, I failed to actually go over the entire process that I use, especially on my desktop. I showed you guys how I changed my video titles on my phone. Today, I'm going to be teaching you right here on my computer. And hopefully, all your questions will be answered. Now, can I guarantee that your videos will go viral? I can't guarantee that. Will I guarantee that you'll get more views? I can't guarantee that either. But what I will say is that I test everything. I am like that test dummy. You remember the Volvo test dummy, the crash dummy? That's me. Everything that I teach on my channel, I have tried and tested on myself first, or else I wouldn't be bringing it to you. So that you can trust me. Before we get into today's video, I want to share with you my second revealer of the week, and that is Life Lately with Nikki.
Kingston, Jamaica.
If you want to travel and you're curious about all things Jamaica and you want to travel, especially in the wintertime when it's cold in the States, you want to check out Nikki's channel. You can travel with her to Jamaica on her most recent trip. You can eat all the delicious food in JA, Yaman. If you want a beef patty, if you want some sorrel or some ackee and sawfish, then I suggest you check out Nikki's page. You can live your adventurous life right through her. She is our revealer in the spotlight. YouTube, owned by Google, it is a search engine. And I can prove to you that by having an intriguing title or a title that's searchable, which is also a strategy, it will at least get you a couple of views because it might be something that the viewer is actually looking for on Google. So why not take the time and the opportunity to put certain keywords in the file name? So if you're convinced enough that it's worth taking the time to maybe optimize your file name, that might be the thing to help you to get picked up by the algorithm. I'm going to hop into my computer right now and show you how to do it. Okay, let's hop into the studio. Alrighty, now we're cooking. I'm going to view my channel. Okay, so normally what you would do if you wanted to upload a video would be that you would go into your YouTube studio and studio.youtube.com will come up. Hit create, upload video. You select the file, and here are some files in my demo folder. I want you to take notice of this generic file name, dbxd5482. This is a video that I uploaded from CapCut into my desktop from my phone. If you notice, there is not a title or any keywords in this file name. And I'm going to show you what this looks like. Actually, it's going to look just like this when you upload it into the YouTube studio. So for the sake of this video, I am going to upload it. Select, you want to select the file, and you see the file name here, dbxd5482.mov, and you see the title. And then I guess you would normally come over here and remodify this title to be how to go hiking for the first time, because that was a hiking video, which in actuality, I probably should have changed the file name before uploading, but I'm showing you how to upload the wrong way. Then you would hit next and go through the normal procedures of doing an upload. Normally what I do here is I go ahead and upload, and then I do all of my end screens and my cards and my playlists after I've uploaded the video. And for the sake of time and for the sake of this video, I am going to do the same thing here, because the point of this video is to show you what the video file name looks like when you upload it. If you do not change or modify or optimize your file name prior to uploading to YouTube. Once you've uploaded it to YouTube, you are not able to change or modify the file name. For example, I've uploaded it. Here you see the file name. It's not even, you can't do anything with it. It's not clickable. So I can't modify it. So it's gone into the ether forever. The only opportunity for someone to be able to find my video is by looking at the thumbnail, and maybe they'll engage because maybe you got an impression. And then someone will look at your title, and hopefully you've been picked up by the algorithm for one of these keywords. Maybe it's hiking, or maybe it's video, or maybe you did keyword optimize the first 64 characters of your description. Maybe that's how your video is going to get picked up by the algorithm / your audience. Maybe. The last opportunity for you to get picked up in searchable, which is YouTube search here, another opportunity would be if your file name also was keyword optimized. I'm going to go back to the files and show you how you could change or modify that file name prior to your upload. What I would do, I would change this. This is a hiking video. I would not want to upload this video with this file name into the YouTube studio. I would modify, change the file name. I would just change my file name, show more options. I want to rename, and I want to call this hiking. I want to say beginner hiking. I can't spell tutorial, right? Because beginner is a keyword, hiking is a keyword, and tutorial is a keyword. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. Create, upload, select file. And I want you to take note. We're going to select that file, beginning hiking tutorial, and look what happens. Beginner hiking tutorial. And YouTube even saves time by giving you that as a partial title name. So it's giving you some opportunities to get picked up and get more views just by making sure that you start off with a good title by having the right file name. And there you are with the title. And let's try to edit or modify the file name. You are unable to, but we're good to go because we have it already optimized here on the right. So there you go. How to upload properly. Well, that's the end, and I hope you learned something today. I hope I was able to help you. I hope you continue to succeed and thrive on your YouTube journey. If you like this video, I hope you check out my other videos that YouTube said you should check out over here. Goodbye.